Hello friends, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example on staircase lighting. So let's look at the example first. Staircase lighting. The light on each step of staircase should remain on for 10 seconds after the last detected movement. So there will be a sensor which will detect the movement. Then we will use a timer for 10 seconds, and in this case we will use T off. It is so because the light will remain on after the last detected movement. So there will be sensors and lights on each step of staircase, and that will be on when the movement will be detected. So let's move to EcoStruxure Machine Expert, where we will draw a ladder diagram for staircase lighting. I will open EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic. I will keep read protection as inactive and write protection as inactive, and then click on Apply. Then I will go to Configuration tab, where I can select a logic controller. Here is a list of different logic controllers. I will select TM221C24R. I will click on it and drag it to here. Do you want to replace? You may lose some features and associated configuration. I will click on yes. Here is a device description. Then I can also go to serial line, where I will select protocol as TMS2GDB and then click on apply. Then I will click on programming tab. So here I will be drawing ladder diagram for staircase lighting. So I will click on this option to set a full screen mode, and then I will zoom into it like this. So there will be many sensors which will detect the movement on each step of the staircase. So I will insert normally open contact. I will assign address to it as I 0.0. I will add symbol to it as sensor 1. Yes. And then I will insert a coil. Here I will assign address to it as Q 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as light 1. Yes. So sensor 1 is a sensor which is placed at step 1 of the staircase, and light 1 is a light which is placed at step 1 of the staircase. So I will insert a timer here for light 1 and will change its type to T off, and then I will change time base to 1 second and preset value as 10, and then click on apply. So light 1 will be on when sensor 1 will be on and then off. That means light 1 will be on for 10 seconds after the last detected movement. So I will add a new rung, and here I will insert one more normally open contact, coil, and then a timer, and that will be T off. I will change time piece to 1 second and press it as 10, and then click on apply. I will assign address to the contact as I 0.1, sensor 2, yes, and then address to the coil as Q 0.1, then light 2, yes. Then I will add a new rung again, and here I will insert normally open contact, one coil, and a timer. and that will be T off. I will change time base to 1 second and preset it as 10 seconds and then click on apply. I will assign address to the contact as I 0.2 and then sensor 3, yes, and then address to the coil as Q 0.2 and symbol as light 3. So it is for 3 steps. We can also add more rungs here for step 4, step 5, step 6 and so on. So here we will be only drawing ladder diagram for 3 steps and it will be same for other steps too. So that will be sensor 4 for light 4, then sensor 5 for light 5 and so on. So when the movement is detected, light 1 will be on for 10 seconds. That is, when sensor 1 is on, light 1 will be on. And then when sensor 1 will be off, light 1 will be on for 10 seconds. And after that, that is when sensor 1 is off, then light 1 will remain on for 10 seconds. So same is the case here. When sensor 2 is on and then off, light 2 will be on for 10 seconds. And then when sensor 3, that is when there is movement on the third step of the staircase, and then when sensor 3 will be off, that is after the last detected movement at the sensor, light 3, that is light on the third step of the staircase, will remain on for 10 seconds. So I will exit full screen mode. I will compile the program and then I will go to commissioning where I will launch simulator. And then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. So I will go to programming and click on full screen mode. And then when sensor 1 is on, light 1 will be on. And after the last detected movement, that is, when sensor 1 will be off. Then light 1 will remain on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then light 1, that is light on the first step of the staircase, will be off. And then when there is movement on sensor 2, light 2 will be on, that is light on the second step will be on. And after the last detected movement, that is when sensor 2 is off, light 2 will remain on for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after that, light 2 will be on. And then when there is movement on the third step, that is when sensor 3 is on, light 3 will be on. And after the last detected movement, that is when sensor 3 will be off, then light 3 will remain on for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then light 3 will be off. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.